He said, hey there, bonita. I've been waiting for a chance to say the ways I love you. So can I get underneath you? Or are you kinda crazy? So I say fuck me, then feed me, and I'll be your diamond if you never leave me. Yeah, I'll keep you skyward, and I won't be crazy. No, I'll keep you grounded, and if you want it, baby, just get yourself around here now. Fuck, then feed me, and fuck, then feed me, and fuck, then feed me, and fuck,
then feed me.
And I won't be crazy. No, I'll keep you grounded, and you want it, baby, just get yourself around here now. I'll never be like the girls you had before me, 'cause you got a good thing going, and I know you'll adore me. And he says, maybe I'll keep ya on the low for times when I feel like wasting time alone. And maybe I'll please ya, or get kinda crazy. Then he said, fuck me and feed me, and I'll be your diamond if you never leave me. Girl, I'll keep on trying, and you can get crazy, 'cause you keep me grounded. So if you want it, baby, then get yourself around here now. Fuck, then feed me, and fuck, then feed me, and fuck, then feed me, and fuck,
then feed me.
And I won't be crazy. No, I'll keep you grounded, and you want it, baby, just get yourself around. Fuck, then feed me, and fuck, then feed me, and fuck, then feed me, and fuck,
then feed me.
And I won't be crazy. No, I'll keep you grounded, and you want it, baby, just get yourself around here now. ¿Qué tal estás, guapo? Porque estás enfadada conmigo. ¿Qué ha pasado, mi amor? ¿Qué tal estás, guapo? Porque estás enfadada conmigo. ¿Qué ha pasado, mi amor?
Okay, so I have my wig glued down all the way. So it's looking pretty good so far. The lace is a little bit too dark for my skin tone. I don't know if y'all can tell on camera. I don't want to zoom in super close, but this lace is like a little bit too dark for my skin tone. So I'm gonna have to finesse it. I'm gonna have to do some baby hairs. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. So I'm just taking some rubbing alcohol on the Q-tip to remove any excess glue from around the lace. With the yellow bottle that got to be glued, I feel like it leaves like a shiny residue sometimes, so I just go in with some alcohol and just like clean up any leftover gel that doesn't belong there. Okay, so I just went ahead and I did some baby hairs. I did not record myself doing them because it literally took me so long to do these baby hairs. Like, I don't know why, but I was real live struggling trying to do these baby hairs. But I really like the way that they came out. They're nice and soft, not too like, you know, not too thick or too much. Yeah, so this is how the wig is looking. I didn't put any like water. I didn't put any water on the curls or anything. That's why they still look kind of dry and poofy. But I'm gonna do that later. I'm gonna just put my scarf on and just let the lace kind of settle into my skin more, and also let the baby hairs like cook or whatever. And I'll show you guys later how the hair looks when it's like wet and the curls are defined with some product in it. So yes, I will see you guys in the next clip. Oh my fucking god. Okay, y'all, so this wig was sent to me by OMGqueen. This is my second time working with them. I've worked with them in the past, and I think I had like a kinky straight wig, and I really like that one a lot. So if you guys want to see my video on the kinky straight wig from OMGqueen, I'll leave it like up here or down in the description box. This is their Rihanna Wild Thoughts curly bob lace front wig. Yes, this is the wig. I've been wearing her for like a week or so, and I really like this wig. It's so nice. I've been getting so many compliments on this wig. It's just like so pretty and it looks so natural on me. So I really have been enjoying this wig. Let me read you guys the specs. The hair type is virgin Brazilian. I have her in 14 inches. Density is 150. Lace color light brown. It came with an elastic band. The hairline was pre-plucked, but I did go in and pluck more like I always do. I've really been enjoying this wig. I don't have a whole lot to say. Crap, what was I about to say? I do think this is a really nice wig. The price point for this wig is amazing as well. This wig is $139, which I think is amazing for a wig of this quality. It just looks so nice, and the haircut on it is perfect. The curls are perfect. As you can see, I just sprayed it down with some water and put some leave-in conditioner in it, and the curls just look so nice and juicy, and they're just so pretty. So I really do love this wig. I'm gonna show y'all the back of it. It's like a super cute like bob cut. If you guys are interested in this wig, I'll leave it down below. Also have a coupon code for you guys so you can save some money And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Big shout out to OMG Queen for sending me this beautiful, beautiful hair. I'm in love. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.